March 29th, 2025. We got some major racers here today. We're about to get started. Right here at Drone Champs, we are cultivating the culture here of whoop racing. Not a lot of whoop racing going on a lot around the country, even though some of the racers here just got done doing some big races out at Whooptopia, and then also the National Air Force Museum race. A couple other ones that are coming up soon. I believe there's one in Colorado in April. So we have some more. We have our monthly. This is our monthly race. Come on down, race whenever you'd like. $10 to race, $5 to spectate. Also, come to Drone Champs if you want to get your Part 107 or learn how to build a drone, anything like that. But today we're racing. These guys are hyped. We're gonna get it going. We got guys like R3, Mine Guys, El Jefe, OPEC, Carp, A-Carp out there, Padawan. These guys are some solid racers. We should have a good pro class today. So we'll see you on the next flight.
Hey guys, we're here at Drone Champs and we're doing a lot of races. They do lessons, repairs, and classes, and it's really fun over here, so come on in.
Ready to go ahead and go.
Yeah,
All right, who are you, sir?
I'm Padawan FPV.
All right.
Out here racing at Drone Champs. Got the shirt on, Drone Champs, and we're about halfway through right now. We just all had a snack. Everybody's refueling up. About to suit back up, basically.
So where you at in the standings right now?
Probably about right in the middle, maybe fourth place.
All right.
Couple wins.
Who's your biggest threat right now?
This guy right here.
That guy right
The
there.
guy who's like the pro.
All right. It's all right, but you're not out yet, though, right?
No. The night is young. It's anybody's game at this point.
There we go. That's what I want to see. Stay on the positive.
Yeah, for sure.
All right.
No, you're cool. Oh, again? You don't sound surprised.
All right, here we go, Sam. Who am I talking to right now?
This is OPEC FPV, Sam.
All right. So how's the night going on your side?
Well, it's actually going pretty good. I've been having a lot of technical problems, but I think finally tonight is the first night. Everything's mostly going smooth, and I can actually get some laps out there and get faster.
All right. And who are you on the lookout for tonight?
Me.
You.
I'm my worst enemy.
That is some real talk right there.
I'm flying one person. It's a time trial out there. They're cool. The opponent's there for the ride, but I'm just trying to go fast.
And how are you doing in the standings tonight?
I got a W in my last race, but the one before that I lost, and before that I had a technical problem. So I think 50-50.
All right, Sam versus Sam.
Yeah,
OPEC versus OPEC.
exactly.
All right, brother. Good luck out there.
All right, thanks, brother.
Good, and who do I have the honor of talking to right now?
Alex, pilot named A-Carp.
All right, and how is the night going for you tonight?
That's going pretty good, you know, pushing it hard against some really good pilots, just trying to keep my flow, smooth as fast, and finishing is what you got to do. So yeah, I'm just loving this hobby.
So how are you in the standings right now?
Not doing as good as I want, so hopefully I'll get up there a little better. Not quite sure.
All right, who's the biggest threat for you right now?
Oh, this guy for sure. I think he's everybody's biggest threat.
Biggest threat, all right.
Yeah.
The night's not over, we're at halftime right now.
Yeah, just keep it calm, keep my adrenaline down, and enjoy the flow.
You got it. Boom, good talking to you.
Design channels here. How many do we got today? 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 or 2. All right. If you want to race, yeah, you got it. Come on in. All right.
How's the night going for you? Who am I talking to right now?
You're talking to mine, guys, and he's locked in.
He's locked in.
He's
all right.
locked in.
All right, where you?
Spares are set, both working identically from each other. Track, fully memorized, in the flow of things. Got motivation. I got a goal.
All right, where you at in the standings right now?
I honestly don't know, but I think up top.
All right, who would you say is the biggest threat right now?
Reggie, still Reggie.
All right.
He's the go. He's the threat for tonight.
But we're at halftime. We got a whole other half
We're
to
at
go.
halftime. I can't let. I'm practicing right now through halftime because I can't let this fire die out. Gotta rekindle it.
All right, you got to get up to get down. Got it.
Yes, sir.
He's really getting that eye down quick now. And to the final feature. Here comes OPEC on his third and final lap. And here comes Ross. Oh, he's in the corner.
All right, camera's running. Who do I have the owner talking to?
El Jefe, Ross Tyler.
All right, and how's the night going for you so far?
Not the greatest, not flying very well, but that's all right. I'm having fun.
All right, so where are you at in the standings?
I'm not entirely sure, but somewhere in the middle.
All right, so we're at halftime. Who would you say are you on the lookout for right now?
Like to win or to overtake?
To overtake.
Either, yeah, I would say Padawan.
Padawan. That's all right. I saw that earlier match. That was beautiful. All right. So like I said, we're at halftime.
Yep.
You fired up?
Yes, I am.
All right. Let's see what the second half brings. Good luck out there.
Thank you.
All right. Who do I have the honor of speaking with right now?
Reggie Ramos, R3.
All right. And how's the night going for you right now?
Tonight's going fun. The track's really fun. The competitors are fierce, and we're all having a good time here at Drone Checks.
So far, you have been everyone's mention for the biggest threat of who they need to look out for.
Okay.
Who are you looking out for? Who's on
Myself.
your team? Yourself?
Sometimes the pressure here and like the fun times we're having can easily fall into like competitive mistakes, and then can fall behind very quick. But I have a target on my back apparently, but all it takes is one mistake, and then they can easily like pass me up. So.
Just like Mario Kart, you're looking out for that Spike Turtle shell coming up.
Yes,
sir. We're at halftime right now. You guys are pumped up. I know you're pumped up.
Yep.
Leading the pack, you're trailblazing. It's gonna keep this night going.
Yeah, just gonna stay consistent, put my head down, and get more flight time in.
All right. See you out there.
Thumbs up. Hold on, wait on Sam. Here we go. All right, there we go. And they're up, and they're going. Oh, we're back in the middle of the block going there. But it looks like Ross got some solid movements going. The kid got some ice in his veins. Let's see what we got. Here we go. El Jefe. Coming through. The view. 28 seconds for Ross there. Uh-oh. He's really starting to step up in that pro class. Here comes OG. Sam OPEC. He's at 38. He's the one who actually climbed up there and put that sideways gate up there. I don't know how he did that, but he's a man, that's why. Here comes Ross to the queue for his second lap on his third and final lap. Oh my goodness, this is really good, consistent racing here. We aren't seeing a lot of crashes. No plastic being hit. A lot of good, clean racing here. Nice move, Sam. He has dominated down in San Diego. But up here in Orange County, the races are a little tough. Here he comes. Whoa, coming down again, you will not be able to beat the Who's, who will be non-racing today, and Kyle will never race again. But here we go, coming through. Get up for Lomax. Finishing out there. Micah through that final corner into the straightaway, loops around that horseshoe. Here we come, or hairpin, horseshoe, whatever you want to call it. What sport are we in? I don't know. Here comes Suzuki in for the win. Padawan, oh, a little English at the end there. Nice moves by Padawan. FPD. Here comes Carp coming in for the final lap and the win and second place. All right, good moves. Yes, you and Ross. Nice moves, fellas, nice moves. And now we got Sam.
You ready for this, Micah?
It's about.
All right, this is your moment.
3D printed down.
Yeah, 3D printed it.
That's so funny.
That's almost as good as Jazz Blue.
Well, yeah, that's right. And then we have a bunch of that's right. Jasmine or Washington. Okay. Thumbs up for racers. Ooh, this one seems serious already. Here we go. Listen for the tone. 3, 2, 1, go! And they're off. Ooh, nice hole shot. It looks like Pasqua means business here, but Padawan, he's looking to stay consistent. Pasqua in the lead right now. They're both going through the ladder. Ooh, nice move there into the outside feature. And it looks like Pasqua is in the lead. Padawan is still trying to figure out that idea a little bit more. That's right, he'll get it, then won't be in trouble. Here comes Pasqua through the queue for his final first lap finish and into the top level gate. Here comes Padawan to the final feature on through the queue to finish. He's on. He finished the lap, but it looks like Pasqua is on the warpath over here. He's trying to send a message to everybody else. It's kind of like when you beat up the bully in the park. Do you want to send a message? Just bump the ambulance. There we go. Now I'm joking, don't go on the ambulance tonight. Pasqua with the fastest time. Lap time was 23.6 on that one. That is the fastest today. Whoa, and then I chased him. Uh-oh, looks like Padawan is out. And Pasqua looks like he's going to finish it up here. Into the final, and for the win. Oh.